Kurata's the first amazing invention we want to show you today is a mecha. This term is used to describe anthropomorphic combat vehicles controlled by a pilot sitting outside, and although they're mostly found in sci-fi movies, Japanese engineers have shown that this kind of vehicle can exist in real life. The mecha can accommodate one person inside, but it can also be controlled remotely. The price of this mecha is only $1.3 million. The manufacturers claim that Kuratest is the world's first giant boarding robot. Its creators were inspired by anime. Destruction was 4.5 tons, 10 stones 4 meters high. It moves pretty slowly at a speed of just 10 kilometers per hour. And as you can see, the device is fitted to some impressive weapons. Wycombe rotary can. Ripsaw M5. Here we have a robotic combat vehicle, developed by the American company Howe & Howe Technologies, especially for the military. It was first unveiled at the end of last year. It's an off-road vehicle about the same height as a person, and this control remote like this feature increases the safety of the operator, without compromising the quality of the work being done. That distinctive feature of the machine is its modular design. This means that this tank can be adjusted to perform different tasks. The pilot can control the situation around the vehicle as the Ripsaw M5 is equipped with a camera system. The vehicle has a built-in weapon, but it can also be equipped with a system for transporting other weapons in different modes. The load capacity is about 3 tons. It's also capable of utilizing Mine's House for weapons. The Ripsaw M5 can carry drone functions as well. The options are unlimited. For example, it can be equipped with a medium-caliber cannon, an artillery base, and a coaxial gun. There's even room for machine guns, a grenade launcher or anti-tank guided missile. MTGR. Free military device to be useful. It doesn't have to be cumbersome frightening. A perfect example is MTGR. It stands for Micro Tactical Ground Robots. Its mission is to explore the terrain and enter places where no vehicle or person can go. MTGR is really small, but at the same time it moves on all kinds of surfaces, encircle obstacles, climb stairs and flip over on its own. The manufacturer ensures that it's easy to transform, because the MTGR can be carried like a backpack. In addition, the device can be used to transport small loads up to 10 kilograms. Some built-in battery is provided 2 to 4 hours of work. The built-in camera gives the operator an excellent 360-degree view, both during the day and the night. The robot weighs only 8.6 kilograms. K9 Vision service dogs have been used by people for many years. They're valuable helpers who help people search for mines and catch criminals. They participate in special operations in dangerous areas. And of course, just like people need special protection, K9 Vision is a multifunctional system designed specifically for dogs and their companions. It's a pair of protective goggles that grams don't cause any discomfort to the animal, as the dogs can't see very well in night. Another interesting solution is a light that illuminates the area in front of them. First of all, they protect the dog's eyes, but at the same time, they help him to do his job more effectively. The camera on the animal's head allows humans to see what the dog is seeing. The glasses record video and sound, and are equipped with the speaker, so you can give the dog. The image transmission range of the glasses is 100 meters. Here we have the result of several years of intensive work. This device also won the Security Innovation Award in 2016. The drone can be equipped with different weapons, and it adapts to each specific operation. Take Care of It is an amazing drone to provide soldiers with their support. The manufacturer of the American company Juke Robotics, Incorporated describes it as the soldier of the future, can be controlled from a safe distance during operations. The locator of the operator is kept secret. The Sarcos Guardian XA persistent training discipline and patience can significantly increase the capabilities of the human body, making it a powerful weapon. However, there are still limits that cannot be crossed. That is why the American experts of Sarcos Robotics are presenting a solution to overcome any boundaries. According to them, all you have to do is equip people with advanced technology, so that their abilities reject completely new and unprecedented level. It's magic. As the person manipulates the object, the mechanisms simply take over the entire weight load. The Guardian XO is a mass-produced exoskeleton. With its help, even an inexperienced person can lift loads of up to 90 kilograms, feeling as if they were lifting a 4.5 kilogram object. The battery lasts about 2 hours. In addition, the design can be modified and changed, expanding the range of possible tasks. In the future of the Guardian XE will not only help the military philosophy, useful for rescuers, warehouse and factory workers. The next cutting-edge invention we'll talk about today is an American combat robot created by Kinetic Titan as a modular hybrid unmanned robot. His task is to improve the safety of soldiers, as well as to provide support during combat operations. In the past, people have to carry weapons, military equipment and other cargo around. But today, this robot can perform this task. In addition, the modular design allows you to change the configuration of Titan and adapt it for specific tasks. Special forces don't always work in places accessible to trucks. If an emergency situation arises, it can save, protect, provide transport, perform reconnaissance tasks and more. Other notable features are the built-in cameras, its high cross-country capability and the ability to work with multiple operators simultaneously. FLIR Fido X4 for today's last device cannot climb stairs, fly, or pick up heavy loads, but that doesn't make it any less impressive or useful. The fact is that most explosives are made of chemicals. They leave traces, tiny invisible particles in the perpetrator's hands, and then spread onto surrounding objects. The fleet of photos from the American company FLIR Systems is a portable system to detect explosive elements is incredibly sensitive, so it reduces the margin of error to zero. For example, the steering wheel of a car or the handle of the FLIR Fido X4 is able to detect these particles, even in very small quantities, and intelligence officer only needs to take a sample from the surface. Surprisingly, the device only needs a few seconds to detect the explosive elements.